Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, cannot find AppData folder Windows 7,8, and Windows 10. Click File Explorer. Click this PC. Click C Drive, Users. Click your username. AppData folder is missing. Click View tab. Click Options. Click View tab. Check Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. AppData folder is viewing. Second method is right-click Start button. Click Run. Type %AppData%. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.